a story building. You fancy with a big wall. And that TV no sono. A 6 bedroom, 6 toilets, and bathroom. 6 bedroom, 6 toilet and bathroom. 1 living hall, 1 dining area, a kitchen, balcony up and down, and a muhuno TV no sono. Big parking space, cars maku in and son crab to me. Sompa. A concrete street in front of the house. Bibia edaho. Santasi Brofuedu. Deeper life. Mo Campana University ho. Santasi Brofuedu heya. And if you know. And to Mr. Wa. So when you want, Fre 0244 751 741 0244 751 741 and 0274 145424. A story building. Ubetima friendly panel. Now no one 6 bedrooms, 6 toilets. Mami kwa umano so enamene. Aya chama Ade Coker train command pay. Chama me mwache. Chama Ade Coker me mwache o. Hello, Chairman. Okay, we'll try and get Chairman on the line once again. Power Chapel Worldwide at the Signs and Tokens Conference. Prophet Victor Kusibwati, the General Overseer of Power Churches, Power Chapel Worldwide. I'll say more of you, Lord. Everybody here ododo. Na baso of Power Cathedral, IPT Junction, Sueboa. Na Signs and Tokens, you got to be there. I have been there throughout. Signs and Tokens Conference. Now I'll be one day in Sanchiranin come share at BBBI. I was saying Yamidisranema or the Domier. Now morning glory at 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. Prophetic lunch 12 to 1. Now evening session starts at 5. Joe Metal is coming. Dynamite Hamilton and Ankara to Enyeze Kra. Now power quans so dear. Hey, and you know Eguomumu. Buses start to Pampa so 4 p.m. Signs and Tokens, Sunday 28 July to 4th August. Sunday 28 to 4th August. Come and experience more of God. God bless you for joining us. Chama Coker, me mwacho. Chama Ade Coker. Chama, what's the main car? Okay. Yay. What is happening? Yebenyano. Tony Sack Electronics. Tony Sack Electronics. TVs, fridges, freezers, air conditioners, washing machines. Now, gas cookers, microwaves, rice cookers, blenders, kettles, home theater, electric irons. Just a SD Karam, a dino, a doom, yewaho. Sounds so na Melcom and Chair Honoma, yewaho, and a cocoa board runabout, so, a yes, Sunyane, Yeni, oe, terminal needing anymore, and a sphincters. Ope, property electronics there, and one is Tony Sack. Your number is 0500309309 0500309309. Chama Ade Coker, good morning. Good morning, Chairman.
Good morning.
Now, I'm going to say,
Nevenado.
Mijini Sana or Tamale. Yeah, nobody else said, what they might call them a bit drew. Now, generally, your general impression about the lunch, Obeka say?
The lunch was very impressive. It was well done, well attended, and the message was also very clear. Everything about it was near perfect.
Chairman, NDC says it's a rescue mission.
Yes.
Who's a rescuer? Which they must say?
See, I wouldn't the way I've gone now. It's who can say Kumasi the one.
Ania.
Who for be at Accra? The Kumasi ba Accra. I know.
Me fair be at Chewadaruma.
Oh, and they'll say who call you survey.
me busa sisi ade atudwama.
Also question be now this
120.
120. Okay.
Aye, 120.
That's why I say 2016 I if you buy more. Yeah,
About 50, 60, ho baby.
50 cities over.
Aye.
But when this is a mutual 120 no. Omo public servants and now here omo here I increased by 100% and
more than
increase here. Omo salary increased by 100%.
not really.
That's right. Omo to Adriania, I'm saying omo to Boakye Boakye. Omo to petrol Boakye. Omo to rent akoso. Omo mba school area. Omo eduma here. Omo papa I investment over the years. Investment here ashi. I amano haircut. You say bitriano. In the next 30 years. 30 years then papa ibi only yasi. Scanner shit. I'm sure say Kumasi move roads near portals. Electricity. I'm sure say munya electricity and buy you name it. I can go on and on and on and on and on. Until she said the country is bankrupt. The country is bankrupt. Almost see a debt $2.88 million. $1 billion. Almost equity on say may but I said by 2026 we'll start paying. When we start paying, we are going to pay plus interest. If we are almost for chain, I move for BBI chain. It is just something to make the government say, oh, baby. So that is the meaning of rescuing. So with all this in the basket, we need to come and rescue Ghana. We need to reset Ghana. As I won't train and need a comma, banning, all the things that I've alluded to, will come back on track. So that's the meaning of
Chama Ade Coker, and no be abusa say na dear ben niema and amudi sisi akwema modebe rescue, because if anybody is going on a rescue mission, he should have a plan, a policy, certain things. Bobby Suchame, dear ben niema na amudi sisi akwem they rescue Ghana.
One, we are telling you that we are going to make sure that government expenditure we will cut government expenditure. One, we will make sure that the government does not borrow recklessly. That's what I say. We are going to run the government, the lean government, not more than 60 ministers. Kind of got about 120 plus ministers, plus hangers on and those kind of things. And we a cost, for expenditure, a cost. We are going to cut freebies to ministers. You bet your DSP, you know more free petrol. We go now, you bet your canoe to what Noma 2. We are going to have a 24-hour economy.
Sompa
economy no boost the growth. Once you're able to grow your economy, you are able to raise more money to do a lot of things. You are going to ask people to come and invest the country in profitable areas, the agriculture, industries, those things that will stop us from importing things from outside this, importing things from China, Malaysia, and all those places. Right? And a plethora of things. You see, this is a small 4-5 number match. Rescue na will achieve it.
Chama Ade Coker, I'm pay. Okay. Ba. Any ba to komo unompe uchepe. Oh how no man nyina no the da ba beboa. The catch them say pay many honorable chamber sabonsu. Ewo efia ha. He's growing by getting younger. I'll find out the secret. I'll find out the secret this morning. That will be my first question. Into what you want to prepare no year no. Say, oh, yini pa, nimfi kona nim so there be an haunting. Who say, Abranti and see me here pa, no mammy one. I know when they will be here no. Say, yes, you perceive unity so. Yes, oh, catch himself, or mine will be here. How the pass man pay for home bra. Ubenya sem kese pa. Microphone me na ye bia ma me o. Me na more platform no. To capture asem beto ha. All right. MC now to say
Nyankopon adumu.
Bibi aboko.
Nyankopon adumu.
My enti wa no pay free bass here.
You o my Nyankopon insha pa wadwuma pa oye. Ene anopai enso ye edafofra Nyankopon aye amame no mienu ya sorry amankwa ne awode ewe mu anache se aseda ane yede bema obo ade na nkasa ene anopai yede enchia kese ebe free Dr. Ba aso ye edi ama obi a wohwe no otie na se ne aseda de eye omodia fisi obi obenya adaje ne mere aye na adwene so obetie Dr. Ba no Nyankopon beboa na ma ne yade eda ne so ananka wode akina bre yade ananka wode anenam yade ananka almost ne se eye abusua yade no odu ani kire Dr. Ba ho a mesi ye beyi sa yade ne nyina amohu se Nyankopon bo ahaba ma nipa se yemfa nsa yade nanso wunimu a na yade eka wo so enu nti na Dr. Ba se wudie wunimu ahaban no ono nanim enti wo yade na wanya no fabra ne ho na yenhwe enyi sa yade no emfiri ni paduanum anopa ubaje number no eno enehia eno na obefa yade bi ebeka odaachi bi anende yade bi aka wa frɛ na wode wani akyerɛ Dr. Ba ho na afi waba amehwe number no eye 0244 988 004
0244
988 004 and it was 0244 08 34 82 0244 08 34 82 where your number Dr. Ba edidi juma ewo ya so ye ho afei wo de wani kire Kumase aye kase free na wo Dr. Ba ye wo Kumase atonsu agogo aban hospital na si atonsu agogo no na chi ana Dr. Ba enso edi ni juma ena no pay afei wutwam konkran so a ye obi Hospinters Road 18 junction ho so ubehu Dr. Ba ewo ho ena no pay ya yasa trasi dane dan nyina no oti Dr. Ba ye ne enkase ya eya na odi a wode hye yensu nyina eye nipadua udompe ena okase yegusua eka ho asem eche nipa dasani bia efise dompe ne kase de eno na Nyankopon de bo nipadua no se mo nipadua no mani ntimi nantintu ana mo ba bia wo kobia enti abre bia se yade betena dompe ana kase mu na se wa nya no ye anhu Dr. Ba ho ama ahwewa amenne nipa bebre bubu agufom ene nipa bebre aka fom aye bubu afo sebe amenne omu ntimi nante ni nyina kyesa yade eba dompe ne kasenim nanso eho adro we omu anya amenne omu bubu aguo nanso enshanka safo awrade na Dr. Ba ka kire wo se yade na da wo so na ne kase na hawa amenne wo bubu agufom no ye pese wo sori enante efiri bubu animu enante ko animu a na ni nyina ye Dr. Ba enti na no pay ye to yensa afro obi a wo tie se wo ye maame wo ye papa wo ye minuaba ebia nkwanhia bi na wunya ye enene amenne wakadam a wo bubu agu a anidaso aba anidaso ni nyina nso wo Dr. Ba aso ye enti na no pay amini wudi nkoma mesrawo o maame na sebe wode na kina bre amenne wabamu abusesesi ade wakadam ontimi nantibiem no fane bra Dr. Ba ho ne yenche wo se ahaban tumi wo mu ayedesa yade enti wunya adaje na wo do maame o papa a wabubu agu fom ebia na enkwanhia bi ene ma ni nya ye ne waye bubu ani a oba ye bema na haban amanipadua no watimi asore anante afi enam ni wudi nkomofa dompe ne kasa ehu onse ne sede weda ni si ya anopai ama obi akadam ni dompe ne kasa emu nyina we no mesema me papa menu aba wutie mi enkosi da ben ana ade eda no be change kakra ana wo beba no obeka dem ne kwa be na abefa so a obeya adwuma obedidi we nyina kire se yade no aba be wura dompe ene kasa enim
Sompa FM
tina me ni wudi nkomboyin ebia na wo yade na wo ha wo nyina ye sasabro ene nso gugu ya wo ba kakra wo dompe mu nyina hwew afi ama wo kotodwekura wo nante enyeye asoso osesire mu asoso oso wonsa amenne nante akura na ye de ama mo akademu a eno na ya ne ye bo ho dawura kire wo se de wo ye nkasa aduro no ono ne Dr. Ba enti sasabro bi na age nkasa ni nyina nipadua na boso amenne wo nipadua mu nyina dompe na hwew dendenden ama wo ntimi kura sorry nante a oba Dr. Ba wa ye bemu aduro ama sasabro yade na wo nipadua ne so a whether ni change kakra na wo de asem ne amane na ato no ni nyina afiri wo so ama ho ato eda me ka che wo sa abrante bi nya visa na aka ni 2 months wo so ko broni krom nanso Fred Dr. Baka chen say Ghana wo kura no ontimi ne sasa bronti na broche nzo wanye wo so okobo bra Dr. Bama ne Bama ye de boso me pepepe ewie bema no ma ne sasa broni nyina afiri ne so ena me ne wo ka say wote awo mu pa enso kompre bi emabiem ni nyina kire say Dr. Bama na bibidro aban ya ye nananom tete no na ka omu didi dwuma me nipadua ni nyini che enya 150 enso timi bo adwuma ewo ba no enu bi ne ne yakofa bekrom a Dr. Bansu di akira odesa yade afiri nipadua nim enti na no pai say sasabro rheumatism ana etiti nipadua na gidompe ne kasa aboso a furniture yaso yewo na yenhwew na honto afa obi anyankwanhia ama ne namu dompe ana kasa ebu mesrawo sa no ma ye kwa ata ma me wo wonta no e wo se nipa bebre hia ase etwa so ofise enipa senkasa no wanya de wo hu nimde amfa wo kasa ne udompe ankoda no ama na hwe anto ani ya echina bi no hwe ode ne namosa na wo nipadua no edem dia ye den abam enti no be hwe nipa bebre o hia ase na ne nan no na ba ko wanche ba ko ensu pra bi ba ye no ena ma ne nan no ba ko asenfa che ba ko wadi dem awie enu ntina Dr. Base anopa me ma wunya asopa na tie ne ye se enipadua no so wo kasa ana udompe mu bu a ye wo baabi a ye hwe ye sete kasa e de ahaban etu dompe ne kasa so ma ne to a ememu ye den eno ne Dr. Baho enti wanya nkwanhia wo de ne namba bi wo na no ntimi nto aye e bi ene ya na wo nkwanhia ba ya wo na mu dompe ana wo nsem kasa ebu a mesew ena no pe ya Dr. Bana kasa eti atonso agufa wo kasa ne bra ne mfa haban to so na dompe ne kasa ne entoa na wo so ohunto da bia me ka cho say yade pa abu aburuchire ye maame no ye papa no pa eye nipadua wo ukotodwe uti bibini anaga na ni nka wa aburuchira ade a wo kompreni aye se ni kotodwe ye ne ya ana se ni sisi mesrawo kotodwe mu hawo ne amane no ene ye so ano ayi sa no mani nyina afiri ho enti obi a wo tie mi a wo hwe me se wo maame bi wa amano ne ana wo ti kroma ana ne yade ne na brabo ne na mane nyina wo no so ye se yade abewura ne kotodwe mu amesrawo obi a wo hawo ewo ne kotodwe mu ye ka kire wo na mo ate ase se arthritis yade ne wura kotodwe mu emenne ame nipa bebira akademu a omu kotodwe omu sori a na eka wo omu eye omu ya mesrawo se wo kotodwe eye wo ya na wo pese kotodwe no etu otwa na me ne wo kasai wo firi kotodwe mu ya de firi a mesrawo brane anya wo poma tenten na ekuta wo ntofom na fa yamfa haban entutu kotodwe no so mawo ne ma wo binom na ya de anka broni kofa dade ahyemu no yen ya de haban ama kotodwe na atimi ayeye weye animsam a chese nipa bebere hunu ena me ne wo kasasi yi adanse abeka wo sa bere bia no omomra metre TV na radio a ankada ni dan nyina ye benya nipa dom a omu bedi adanse aka ache wo se no omu kotodwe ye omu ya no omu achini ewiase bebere nanso mra omu de omu ani kire Dr. Baho no enne eya wo no ene yade na wo mu ni nyina afirimu ama nante a na ho teho akọ atwea ma omu no enne omu timi nante enti na se wo tie me na se wo hwem ya se wo maame bi wo papa bi o haw ewo ni kotodwe mu a onfamra Dr. Baho ena me ne wo kase ebia no wanya nkwanhia behwe fom amu achi kase na emu abubu ye de abrantie bi saa efiri hospital kase bi ba Dr. Baho me se wa ani boso me kra anen kase na wo na che na nkemu abuebie emu abubu na nanka adane na sem amana bubu no ya toto amene abrantie na isa akoye na dwuma enti ebia wo maame bi wo papa bi wo nua bi wa ko hospital ya ka che nsa ne kase na emu abuebie ebia na chi kase na arewe a ma menka nkyere wo se wo spinal cord na nyame abo wo chino se wotena wo ma ne ho ka ebetimi ama wo nipadua akyea enti na wo nipa bebre omo akyea eya na fa ne firi omo spinal cord no ana omo akyea enti ebia wo ma bi wo papa bi wo nua bi wakyea ana ya obi abanachi kasa enim ama woda wona okokete so na brabonko ano obo a enne ye me ka che won se fu ani cha tonso ago na fa ya de bi aba wo spinal cord no ho ama kasa ne ho kyere no no oba ye de ahaban be yi sa o ha oni amane ni nyina afiri ama wo spinal cord no etimi akoye ama wonso nipadua na akyea no etimi atene ama wonso ho ato afa na no pa obi de esisi yade bena wo bo nyina nsa misisi ya me ya maame enkosi daban me se ebia na wadwini nyina ye o se wachina numnuro de ya na ye pese ohunu ne se enye adura wanum bia na beje wo ya ebesa wo yade o Jisa wo ba di onima duro no ho na o ma wadupa ansa na o ya de akọ enti bi asem o ka ne say Newton for de ye di mo achi abrabrabre he wudi nipa bebre achi na se wo ma Dr. Bawa wo ya de ebetena wo so ache enti obi a obeji ade bi obeba odi sisi ade beba no emire tie bi wo be hu se ni sisi ade ni nyina no na afiri ne so enti na no pa misrawo se wo sisi na ye wo ya no aba Dr. Bawa obi hi bon na jonku no ayi amen na nante akọ wontimi nante ajonku no ye wata so ka se bi hye ho se hwan a ebeye dia ma wo se wo betimi de wo nan anante na nso ni nyina no se sa hawo ni nyina ba wo ba ne de ahaba toto so a ebeje kase na gina ama afe wo hi bon no wa jonku no enye basa biem ema won so ho nkyerɛw enti na anopai ye ka dompani ye ka kasa asɛm a na obi o ha wo ne dompani na kasa mu no omra Dr. Baho na nyankopa daroma yemfa haban ne ye wo no ensa yade bia mpam yade bia emfiri kasa ni dompani ma no na afa ni dompani ne kasa no enya ahotɔ obi ti wo se o ka kyerɛ se a media mi dompam ya me ya na ye me ba na abodam mesrɛ hye ne so na tie nie se dan ne dan nyina ye fa se obi a wabodam bia ye honhom mesrɛ enye honhom eye yade said you would mean ya dear be told Drono San and Pedriano, Sanadino can, or no so I dear Namano, and tis a wound you be about Damoa and Nano pay. Brania man be dread, bet me a son, ya dear, Ama Junin Nako ye, Aman Huatono. If he said now what about Damoa or Case, a Chinabo Tresakaya. One farm also bet me the atraco ni pafo froso, Amanako Yasamo Brebusiano, Dr. Basebra, near Rajum, how Yadian Infini Pedriano so, none hontono. A fay and normal bebrehani Pedriano to said diabetes, a city yadia mesrao, a yadia fire dear bebre di breni Pedriano, diabetes bet me many Pedria when young Casemu yadia, a bet me when ya say, a bet me a mutual nine, a bet me many Pedriana basa, yadia balcon, and no my chamber a cray. Now then I won't no bepim sabre. Bia na sugar na wiri Dr. Basia bibi draw eyema enti bra no mo bibi draw na sugar no enti meda no ma na fe onso ni padua no emunyina enne ye wo yade bi te se osa yade ani padua no yade ba ko obi ani dia wo hunu amane obi nso aduane to ne yema wo hunu amane emako no obedi wo hunu amane na brabo obeye den eno na Dr. Basia ena no pe ono ka se owa dua esa osa asa duro no ko ni padua no yemu a eni nchebi ubehun se osa ni nyina eko ena no pay ye de kasa ni nyina abawieye de ya ne ye pese ye ka che on se wo pa bibidro ama na timi asa wo yade ama yade afiri mu dia na ye Dr. Baso ye Mr. Oje number no ne yemfa kasa ni nyina emra awieye number no eye 0244 988 004 0244 988 004 and it was 0244 08 34 82 Dr. Bawo Kumasi Atonso Ago Abai Hospital nechi enkran ye was Spinters 18 junction ano papa ya me no ka say Dr. Bana hye si ututi Atonso Ago twa wo safa yade bra mesra bo yade nyina no fa beda Dr. Ba ne enso yemfa haban na edidi dwuma no entu yade na sema na yade ni nyina akọ na wo kọ a de nipa bebre bo se ka no eye ba
okay ya Michelle pa mama ne honorable Benaye to check komo honorable Benaye me mo achi anopai
yeah
now bom to say
na me ada Roma me hoye pa me didi also hoye
Mr. Mehoye pa former member of parliament for Upper Nature West and then to check komo MPs and then former regional coordinators and then police station former converge to support Baumia. But Chosa Butania and Swadi Huni, Uchre Musay.
You mean I'm dancing, Micha, what you for now? But to say a great leader, James and so studio home.
I was Hanomo.
Indeed, I didn't check a see and so mano.
Sompa or your swim.
Nakachenza ya finododo. Anyway, but I mean, I say, if he say a brasso, say party, ubia na honkeka, ewo from biano. It would turn among ma ubia honkeka, a basro, said the beya come December elections, no, MPP bet me a winning elections, no. Na Dr. Baumia, Abayo Mampeni, ewo memuna yanya majority season, so ewo parliament. Now, you don't who say, and I'm more back when they say, former members of parliament, If you MPP no, I will say you to me, can you boom? Now you two anamon bia say a fata. I bet me abwa my party in can con. A we pay no, you two sanamon. And nama ye fi sanamon. Chui ase. To the extent say, ye nim say, see you put your collective experiences not together. Near the better party ye cheap. Now see you caught down to your former constituencies. See you back when ye drumano ya ye drumani ye pa, the boy ye pa. Because one of the challenges are ye so far, or party in Cancon is a party kakra our form.
Okay.
And apart from a party no so no, party members need been to feel say, ya sideline
okay.
Ya ignore and pay the local constituency. Na MP now or other than Olusu ni seat in Tino. Now both be a new executives a buyer no as sideline followers. So
okay.
Kobasa no most of you say okay. Samosi and Kamu Budia, Mubaya, Munyami.
Okay.
Munyami. A cornisano so a more party no. If he said Brasso, see a dear Jim. Look, Obi a wodi MP pen pa de do onya de kra ne constituency home no anya hwe no 25% following there obewo.
That's true.
So we don't onya de kra no kon constituency which me winning elections or pay not to talk of which me winning 2 3 4 de sad man so or large following discourse say bia bibinti na say oh ni followers na for mo nya hwe yesi no so kwati om hotena say okay mo so be ya mo nya me hwe at the end of the day no a party in the sofa. And this is one of the reasons here if you say brasso because 2024 elections no and you better sir a brasso say na e dia ho bajim na yetumi a civil party no you win elections no ya civil Omanhene.
Honorable Maniso Adehuni Aniso Adehuna emodu na eba say ya constituency ho MP a o ginami ato no so aba e bi kura na MP bia o kam ho a o ye former no ono no e bia wo lazy ni boot anase o wani so ade hu so obesa aba bio eno no won ko hu ni say ase aba 20 eno na ya na akoye ntwetwe nti no even when you mean it well enkomo ben na mo ne the national campaign team no so AD said the be ya o betuma rope mu in na enkoba se ase mo ye mo de e won chen de boa.
Maybe national campaign team no involved by say involved. Don't forget say even at the regional campaign levels we now no more former MPs as a member.
Okay.
Our campaign teams no so.
Okay.
So, but the okay, yes, ya ni pay idea a bit me aba, but if it's a brasso, see a go beyond our personal interest.
Okay.
Yen tro Emma obi enkase oh assume CD or baha dia chego be isi anase mempenase manase menene yesi ntini no na ono ni interest are open na party na suffer. It happened in the last elections. So the meeting first had personal differences ntini obo na obi asala na whole majority of people be na yenye obi anka na bo na we lose seat I be otherwise we shouldn't have lost. Tani man ko so be bre ntini you feel say no not this time.
Okay.
Not this time. A party first. A party first. Because all the two say it is only MPP in the back power or man to me two kind. A two pound call new media. I then our personal interest, personal standing in our collective interest. So now you to me and kind. Yes, you didn't say you're quite you be share one or two of such issues. But anything I'm paying for is with you. It is do be a boy and what this one, and yet the I'm paying for with you. You better identify some of these issues near the Akotum paying for said there be that as soon as you are not of Benty. See, I didn't say the personal interest Bintino, while we are the cost the entire party.
Okay.
I believe, sir, considering the kind of paying for your party, you draw my attention to such issues are or mobile address am I.
Honorable Ben, I am Asiano Pay. Okay. To your coordinator, sir, Honorable Ben Aye and a chairman. Honorable Ransford the Japan, deputy chairman. Honorable Esther Obenda Paya treasurer. Gifty Omanhene Kredu operations. Godfred Bayon, deputy operations. Ebenate, secretary. Honorable Frank Ajen, legal. na they've been assisted by regional and zonal coordinators. Ashanti region Kofi Juma and SK Boafo, Brahafo, Honorable J. Dako, Honorable J. Yeboah, Central Atuata and Honorable Joe Hackman, Easton Eric Daffo and Honorable James Apietu Ankra, Volta Nia Ibonte and Fuseni Isa, Honorable Sagre Bambangi Norton, Honorable Somed Ganu, Apa Adongo Fuseni, Western Albert Oben and Alex Ejekum. Womu nyina ni achiche omu ne so omu hwe no omu mmoa. Eno no eda honomo. Anopai mamema Honorable Chairman Sabunso Akwaba. It's been a while. Honorable na umpom to say.
Nyame adom mahi.
Ni bia boko.
Nyame adom boko.
Eda oba de ase. Send ya meka eno ano. Mesaka. Umfie kwanimu. And so your faith strong all the time. What's been your secret? Na mebuni yesu yensu bina. Na yensu su yenyu ti se wo na ehun odin se ya. Maxwell ni na ma kire ono ma wo na na bo. Chese menya babunu. Ubeyo.
Well, my him that say ni na ahwi. You don't do things in excesses. I don't smoke. Me kase me no monsa, but me no monsa didi.
Na kakra bi.
Normally be I me no wine kakra.
Wine kakra.
And I did, but okay. No, it's occasional.
And
you know the beer.
This will be as on the Otrebi no.
Sometimes the appetite in your flavor and kakra.
Oh man, flavor. Okay.
I did na kasa kwa no say.
And you say na
udi. Then you have time to also do exercises.
Okay.
Unfortunately, be bosome be 90 minti training papa na me nya problem kakra with me 9
Sompa
FM minti nya enye training se me pen otherwise anka weekend bia no me serious training Saturdays, Sundays. So me be kumase na say we recess there. Me be di be na watch ha and me ba there every day. Me sa no pa bia be 1.5 hours. There's a ma who say mutimi sane. That's the only thing that I do.
Oh, okay. Nti me Bruno. Yensua. Twabisa no wanimu nyina ho. Emma Bibia Emma momentary pleasure. See, I didn't fear producer.
I'm 67 years.
67 years?
Yes.
As well, first test now, I say, young boys no credit. So, Maxwell Fruka, Krabi are naughty. Maxwell, so 45, Kunyanya. Uncle, me brew 50, until me Uchubutaya. Me offer fast. Oh, be any come now what to say?
For a
little while now, your engagement with the media are you not new hosa. I don't know whether I say which call hibernation bill say Aquentius a day. What was the reason? And I running mate in ceremony I didn't man. Because now your name was at the forefront. Your both Diano Pewi and Yumre, Mufama Chairman, Mufama Napo, Mufama Sicilia, Chief of Staff, Irene Toshi, Deputy Speaker, Dean Bemu, Boakye, a Duchu Minister. A lot of names came. And nothing might be out Kakrana.
Oh, Debbie. And yes, sir.
Sompa FM.
The entire mammy step back a crano. Was a parliament as a sayo. Na pebia many media na kasa. Parliament is a buy, you know. Omo buy, you know. In terms of Sabi Shuna Menano Rashibi Fiono. Na omunyane sa. Nti mribia a media no still ampesa omune kasa. So yes I na occupy media space na omwa nyini
yes some of be dear anymore. Okay
as a compete with space for them or with them na esa obi anso pese wo no kasa nti me ka se metwem ho kakra na aboa wo mo amamo so atimi akoma
afenyo mo so atimi enya da media space.
That is why me decided say tactical me media non kasa say ne be ya omono media space to operate. Everybody will want to talk to you. In crying Kumasi everywhere outside Ghana, but we yes as in Makano na omunyini no
BBC Parliament the first point of call even me one so na sayaba to sa ko gina okasa na you say okay,
you're not helping them to grow. So even Uba Kumasi Ase so same thing, including even my own constituency. Some uncontested bill Obi Fraba
John Dako
Obi Fraba they say offer me dey bia am no kasa. You don't create enough space for omo, so and you step back kakra.
But this is selfless and maturity, trust me. Because will be hwa afi kra no babe say ono na nkrofo ni no.
Oh yeah.
But this is selfless and maturity, honorable. Mami mo abaso ha. But yen hwa de why this debate, John Mama debate, yet debate after the budget, about 7 or 8 MPs from the minority dared Bahumia to join them in the debate and the economy in parliament. After the majority said, say, yeah, and say grow and you know, and yet almost here, mama. Is it something that Ghanaians should call for, or a needless a cry?
Maybe can so okay say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na assembly by Jamahama no president na okay be na all criticizing no Sammy no ye running mate to Nanado Jamahama be catching say wo president da Intimate when you debate, so near president and when you debate. What it meant was that we be a back and assembly and one level to you debate. And the presidential candidates.
So you are the same level.
You are the same level. So what I say. Indeed, now say one debate. Omanhene. I think it was June or so last year. Na yento abama Bawumia. And na me kase me hwe ni mu se e beto abama Bawumia. Was it last year na 2022 mpu? Na me kase ye hwe ni mu se beto abama Bawumia. Me to abama Bawumia. And this for months mo kenyina ne se economy ne manage ni. Tina me kase me hwe ni mu se Sompa beba. Na ebeba se debate beba between the two of them, Bawumia John Mahama. And I make say, my sister station back was on I think say okay FM. And I mean say my sister station say Angel for so me yes I take my make the same thing. I think it was June last year. And I make say me sure say do her sir didn't do her John Mahama would never debate if anything Bawumia. Because on debating that. Ma Kwame Nkrumah secret beside side and I'm say Kwame market on the wall. Some say economy no. So if there should be a debate, some more come by and saying yes any aye didn't name my aye and sa omba. And they do we. So na presidential candidate oba parliament may debate. In any event, who is there in parliament that Bawumia post ye Canada won't debate no. Who is there? Me majority leader no say the main can friend to me but Ato was the spokesperson on finance for the minority. Now don't go so in the shadow of no or come of finance committee no but only kasa na me in winding up the debate or either on the budget or the president's message on the state of the nation because Ato so the sit down on be dwegu takro ye de be na nsan na sit down na the one hour be dwegu dan nyina egu that was in the lighter vein because the muntaka the baby cry or catch me say ye say be na otwimi nu wo be yare na ma parliament because you can't say no be say I mean, me can say, even me, I was a handful for them. Never me. What do you say? Me, my friends, economics will invest you. Kakra me, you know, it was related to my course. A-level economics, I mean, of course, economics is economics. You don't reinvent the wheel. The fundamentals are the same.
You can't change
it. The minimum, and then you maybe share on Russia, be fee, and then you budget, debate, and answer whatever. And I'm a trim margin, as I said, I'm working. Aha, and you're correct, seen it. And as I'm saying, even me, I was a handful for them. Never me. Indeed, Begiri say, John will never come. But now, Bisa say, is it relevant? It is relevant.
How?
Because the Omanhene Yaw. Let's face it. To see how many see, you know, the basic problems, you know, the main problem, the economy, arising out of COVID, same Russia and Ukraine war, and even the cleanup of the financial sector, energy sector. This try to be cleaner. Difficult for us. These are the main Neman Naya Aboya Asante. But we are coming up. So we are coming up strongly. As you see, last year, 2023, economic growth, and even 2024 the first quarter, Statistical Department Ade Akye Abia actually and say any the World Bank for Nankasa so abe dia dance actually and say economy no maybe any is be grow no first quarter near about 2.7%, no nyamia boy we rose to about 4.7%. What you say? What it means is that say kososa me afi nkwawie no me sure say the least that we can grow will be around there 4%.
Sompa FM.
And we are targeted 2.9. What you say? So it means we are coming up out of COVID circumstances, you know, in a big way. Now when I say COVID buy any grew economy in this time, not your Mahama COVID in your no grew economy no at 3.7%. What you say? 2016. Now 2015, we grow economy no at 3.2%. What's just say between you know, there's a world of difference. John Mahama or na Bresso, he grew the economy at an average of 3.8%. Or by 3.8%. Ekufo do buy and COVID it was 7%. How do you compare? So say even post-COVID, the year grew in a chair who grew. But how can you say this program is managing the economy? But that's another conversation. They can say, Sompa. Ka economy, ka GDP, ka inflation, ka interest rate, ka international reserves, no more. The middle levelers and the Tuasi population, the mass population, don't want Tisani Manase. But for the intellectuals, it's good because they also contribute in shaping the direction of the discourse. Say, and comedy in radio, so in television, so no, or more tears, no, or much more and the middle class, no, then you say, Abia about 80% to us, it's significant to also affect the mass of the people. And in here, even though it may not be in a very big way, it's important. Even if you can affect among Tuaba, say, Unya, and if I pay 200,000 for the 200,000 can win you an election.
Yeah, 50,000
I'm winning election. And that is what I would say to it.
I said, just say, I was a debate in Kebaso. But here the NDC says they don't have any debate with you. Because 2016, when they called for a debate, you said no. That is what they say. Almost when John Mahama called for a debate, most on Uncle Swami magazine, don't go Central Market, no Mami for a debate on the economy. And the same thing they are saying is money Swami magazine for a debate.
But that's my easy for no kind of crumble, and you're no crack.
And you're no crack.
Yes. Yeah, you're no crack. Say, so Bekaya. debate, send us a CIA or see 1 year. For the time, no. They are calling for a debate. Say debate in the bar, and we were preparing. And John Mahama Beka said on your debate, that he was not interested in the debate in our grown form.
Okay.
They were still trying to convince the principal people. Say mumra na yenye debate so John Mahama so so then na okas wonye no moyes na ekoba so ene omoaka no ko debate no na kufu ado yes no say one main contestant also wonye dia and you move on. So we moved on and yeah program yeah campaign. Then about 2 months after, I feel no because we are ready in the debate. Then we said we're not interested. And you person will quit debate, at your own instance. Time is suit on our obey. That is why we said we're not going to do it.
Oh, okay.
And then you say, you can't say be a debate in your can't see. Who wants to engage in much more intellectual discourse than the MPP? Trace the history. The almost kind of say when your friend was a mama no, and you know cressa. You can't see a big debate. We were preparing the John Mahama case on ye. O case on ye. So what I say. Oh, pray now also on ye. Na a friend is saying, a grown from Yenko yes I debate. And didn't my case. So I feel nobody there. And you also was some chere. Young phone. We have moved on. That is what it is.
Napo is the running mate. My investigation reveals, sir, you even introduced him to Baumia long ago, sir. Emrene Beswan, Abranti obetimi apoa. Ewa Asante Mantema so winia. Definitely a hanon babe fedipad. Asante region ha educhum DPA wa mukra o DPA. Joe Oseusu DPA ukon kran na atoshi. Asante region ha chief of staff Frema Paris Susu Edi APA mupa. And they inapo. Has the dust settled? And now there is 1 or 2 aggrieved people are within Abia because Abima who do chumwo Napoa Inasi. People are asking questions. Bimu to me ama. People are asking questions. No, they only also require it's also require but Mante do chum.
No, say usu
Mante or say usu dear. Oh dear, because probably I'm closer to you and to me who said na Jumedie te wako. And they saw running mate no. Yeah, you na put there ajo. And there are grievances here and there. Adaroma.
Oh, the grievance be any ho. Infection be any ubiaho. Senior Namekano. Edana ye be natural or Kumasi Haseno.
Sompa FM.
Mentimia ma because Ade Chiama Yabe Kumasino. And you mre. Say you mre no. Ena. A manifesto na your candidate vice president or a candidate share main son me main drafting we in the crashia or coming home or the secretary to the committee many no and a co-presented drafting to vice but they call now me can't and you may be Osenka, a woman.
I'm fan to just say you are the chairman of the MPP Manifesto Committee. Said the Beya, a man for who say, oh, Casano. Yes, sir. Oh, see, Honorable Chairman Sana, Dr. Mahmoud Baumiani, campaign team, they share in Sansa on her say, Manifesto. A young man is what do no send on basic person or mine say, Ghana for your mantum to Abama or more, the only be boo mino. Or no, a dano to Nano or Casse or day. A hunsus and source in the Omaya no echo say, Omampenia be the chair or more candy for patcho to us.
Yes, intimidate ye no need di home combo. In Comodino, na and ye may be ya in shedder NCC or manifesto. So only know who even make us as a chair. To be kind and turn some or so, the Macano here pa. Tinia mean koyes adiano. Now they be chairman. It was late in the evening.
Okay.
Now they be chairman yaba kumasi. And yes okay. And the so minyem rana ono krano say omufi kumasi no eba pe Ade Akye ya okosrim. So I needed to work on them.
Sompa FM.
Nti me ama me ntimi ama na me kachre napo say ni esi nti no mentimi eba.
One in term kita ho date say.
Oh, extremely well. Extremely well. O say wusu so na tisi amino kase kwe unia na ne ho fan papa nti na okọ ayare nti wantini ama na no around some no yankwe no around but the speaker mum and ne enni ho
nti na also si akire
na o se ono okọ hwefie ho ma na ni eye emre bi nso national service bill na free Minister of Education educhum asue yenya kane ye mayor o say be
director general
chief executive of modern ewo so the say be no mpo na yesi o hwehwe me nti me wie sada na me ye adwuma no me ye
manifesto no
adwuma no ana mo frame me say omo hia me den ne wo parliament na me ntiase ana me koy na say national service bill no number so mo ye no more run into problems and o say usu e catch o say be say on frame me na me na meet ma be here ade no na o say be say me numbers that no wo nti say no frame ya na onyame nti me call ho no say o wa frame me more than 20 times onyame and me bisa say number be no the frame me anyway me call them ho na e koboa yes ade no nti me enunti na ama Dr. Richum so amba nti the three of us no ede we ntina yenti nti enye ayibia wo bisa say me ni Dr. Matthew Prempe
Sompa FM
me opoku Prempe me ni ntem ye kama pa ono de minim no efa ne papa so kani epajahine no na me fa na say boy me big brother me kai say oba me fa no eneni ewo mamienu o free dunkwa omu free manso ha manso mim na amokopi aware dum ko denchira krobi efe ho moda so na ne maame ewuye sabe na kwan na se e for denjira ofa dunkwa na ekono afa yamfre so akofa ehoko na de am say mofa baabi ani etimi kwa mama ye kwan ne kama
ye nyina ye tie so
na san me ne petrol kra so ho aye din Rollins time no mi kwa yi no enipa mi mi na mi no boko ye na peja hene ene ko jami say yi no butre ko fa mu na mi dia ba ko fe na Africanus usu ansa ya no ta chocho articles Africanus usu ansa ye mienu omumienu na kame ho aye ko say yi ne bae
ko yensi yi
enti napo adi meni apeja hene ne wo sa wo fa me se ni nua ketwa je say your university Ashanti Students Union no ona obeye yem patron otumfo bukware eyi no man be die na the bibia ona ne de kofa no so many those days many Africanus American and was Sir John lawyer Kofidi Adontenum Victor Usu Junior
Sompa
bibia ya ona ne de kofa no so ne de akọ otumfo eso nti na poba parliament no wa ne be share me say me mo na me ba ena ba mi wazuni aketo na oba no na ponzo oba parliament bibia ye pon samre na ne minority ye pon ya onu obi amwa na mo share me office di nkomo ne ma won tiase we explain to him because everybody ye debate your parliament na I was the minority leader and Backbane was the majority leader at the time na me can't see me na me can't say no Backbane as a majority leader na wan tiase no ko fa fi baby na or kase man kase me na me say me mpo me ka chene sa so me kan na wan tiase because at the time I was dealing in iambic pentameter, he was dealing in prosaic presentations. And
We're dealing in the iambic there.
Pentameter.
Iambic pentameter.
Yes.
The casa o kasim casa.
The camp of casa. And in Napo, your point of visa say, book on a friend iambic pentameter, me money be. No one can have you. And I'm sure.
All right, Chairman, hold on. You're better to us. Where does this come from? You have a certain penchant of using certain words. The kind of saying be a uko used to word be. It had to do with earthquake. Time and now o kasa o twon ho no. O se wo mpese o be create bibi word be a we use it concerning explosion. But you use it figuratively with
Sompa FM
earthquake a yibi.
So,
Just say seismic, bibi seismic explosion. Say today, iambic pentameter. And I'll say now, Honorable Suso was dealing in there.
you see, no, he was dealing in prosaic presentations. So dealing in prose.
Dealing with what?
Prose.
Prose.
Yes.
And iambic pentameter, nature say. Because yes, there.
Iambic pentameter is a style of poetic deliveries.
Poetic delivery.
Yes.
So you were dealing with iambic pentameter. Iambic pentameter. And on also dealing with prose. Prose. Oh, okay.
And he,
Yeah. What the end to us? Na poba asema ne iambic pentameter buku ni bi.
No. Every single thing I have, yeah, this three. Yeah, near this three.
You know, people a lot. And people be official way background here law. A lot of people. Ghana football agent say on your lawyer almost so much judge of the can and no credit.
What's yeah. Oh yeah, legislator.
Oyemra. So
Shamra. Now Timra na say now Timama waye. Now so we member of parliament now found seriously. And no betia say
lawyer for na cry.
Because lawyer no.
Already I know so nim.
One wayemra na ono ko kan atiase. O tiase a ono dia ina dwuma akọ charge nkofo say manya wonya say me
Bekoboawo.
Wo wayemra say what tiase a you would rather entina ene no
FM
ya yemra bi about a different interpretations act. Interpretations act no ye who say even judges
from so
mu di asemo a emra na mu gina so edi ye no and am said ebia omunim adwen pa ewo mra na chi a ye ni nti no ebia no afa ne trasa na gina so ebu emra obu ate nti interpretations act na ye no ama wo mo kwan se opese o temra na se a bra parliament na beji ye Hansard na
ye de ye mra no
ye mra na tintimaguso wo kan a na abeti ase
the spirit and the letter okay
what ase na motimi agina so abu aten yes abu aten no ahwa na wanye ni
okay
so you come also na make say na no ino mo ye national service emra o say sibi na ofre me na it's because me wo minority ni nyina no na me family ho seriously say me sua emra because anything no wako eho the card bia say enipa miensa and the shame crying mama esua emra ba ko na me nka nkire no na say na me friend oba me ho parliament na me ka kire no enipa no de odi kan ni Collins Daude ya Collins Daude ansa na me ko parliament na minimum no na ayi parliament nyamae those days no more Ahafo Youth Association. Collins Daude was the secretary to the Ahafo Youth Association. Penny bi ano ye omo chairman na friend no Mr. Sebe no ti bantama bikaye chiho no etima contractor na koda ni Collins Daude So na minim say Collins Elder Collins Emzo ko Chincha Secondary School also. Na minim say we from 5 mpo no sambre no de na Collins no on to aso. What you say? Na me so na we university. But Collins no on to aso. But na afo Sam no pese youth association no e be say money ambekama yete afo e free bro. Ti no be misre be a presentation to two popokuare. Na amoba na yen Asante Youth Association. Na me Asante Youth Association alumni. I was the national president. At the same time, na me sign wo Ashanti Youth Association. Na ye chairman no the Mr. SY MPNE. What TUC. And Adutumfo was our secretary. Nti yana na ye ka omo ho na ye ne omoko. Na say na me call parliament no. And I feel me ko hu Collins Elder. Collins Elder at that time was the chairman of the Lands and Forestry Committee. Na ye side no Koilabi, a Jare Koilabi na ye spokesperson. 1997 na semna make. Crunchy Asante Achim South na na ye deputy ranking member. Na ye ko committee meeting Collins a minim no. Na minim say 77 previous na ngumanim nko akire no. Obe chairman. Na ye ko ha emra ewo ho no. So forestry action name Collins just say he knew them at the back of his hand.
Jehwa Juba.
I just say with me go to na emra no section we say into the more can we nya no correct say Collins pa any. Can I say no so Collins that pa na no be champion say the any was the team so dey. Nti me fa me who seriously na afei ne me ba na me ni asim na me hwe that time na ba bia na yetie no na ye backbench and na ye wo no me I say Edu who later became the majority leader or say Prempe or say for near to aso Baredu ne nyina to aso backbench nti Baredu say nkonta sem bi na ba bia auditor ansem bia ba na no akohwem hu no de aba na raise your parliament. So near my banner, na be a miss me him, maybe my reason. I'm a lawyer for no be a discuss. You are right, sir. The next person who inspired me was J.H. Uswe Champo. He was the majority leader then. NDC. I know the majority leader. Yeah. With J.H. Mensah as a minority. Yeah. The J.H. Mensah no be him say wa be here. Mbrashe be no be ento. So, but say you can't say because J.H. Mensah. The near brain no ye the debate na JH Uswe Champo na wafa yesterday or there's no two sections be. Jasana was a speaker. Say on account of say you the papa no can yeti nyi. Oh guno. Waka say I said me shishi wo no no use standing there na speaker that sustain ya man na ya ma JH atrase. So me decided said you what standing there say no. Misfia. Nti ebrebi can't be na JG can't be no sorry na or stop no to stop no just an can't say yes JG same say na unua na we are no say and I'm sorry people didn't know what I was going to say to me sorry kasa no say you majority leader no speaker say we tie minority leader beka ansa no beka no miss me was in bia meka ono akoto orders no baako but miss me we miensa bia meka na meka say the combined effect of some miensa na menye madia ba no etwane die ni mti dia waka nya no kure the speaker was stunned ohwe no say ohwe otie masem no say emfanto na echi yaka ho say the judgments are entwaso ye point na speaker na frame say me lawyer na nam say dey. So where am I getting these things from? So, and where am I shame and cry? I say, Menkoso. Judgments are there. Any him say, Emuhon and Yamaka crack na me, Edibo and obey me minority no secretary and many other day. And I knew to Kayako, New Zealand, Sam Reno. It was August 1998. No, catch him say, Mimi Yanko. Call you now, to me for shame and cry. Some year in share in office more bright future. So I'm just saying, say, we no enama me ebrese me suamra eye. In the parliament, they are lawyers, they are attorneys general, they are deputy attorneys general. But say, bibia, I say, I'm ready why I'm so James Abusini, I am fine no ba. Because you take yourself seriously. Indeed, sanity.
I want to share power meter, you know me, and sa, yeah, Chachin, come, honorable chairman, sir.
No, upper home meter, you know.
And you know me, sir.
I'm a tear, you know.
I mean, I do know. So I'm in touch with your cousin.
Oh, you go so. You go so, said none. The better president by now,
last week, Tuesday.
Man,
last 2 weeks. Last 2 weeks. Obey, Anyan Quantan, so dear. Last 2 weeks.
Last 2 weeks. Oba ebe hwe senia esiko ni nyina ne se
NDC for say akwala Jesu project na moye no ase moya amatwen ya memre ne ba be so na mode ba be dada kuma se fonte fe na akwala Jesu
entisa ai interchange no ohun se ye kom na she bedwe fi president bayi na mina mkofa ho se bayi se president kofo ena oye se opese oye inner ring road
yeah
o Kumasi from Awunaga junction now obesi
airport runabout
obesi Swami obesi Sufu line obesi Santas
runabout
obesi
Georgia
obesi
interchange ahinsan no
na fi osan besi Awunaga junction
Sompa
na enunti na obehya ase no oye se enyi Samre no carpenter for no mo ho no. No
Awunaga junction. E do ko so good village ono.
Ndi wo criticize you know ama wo mo no. Na sela no mo de wo. Ene man ye se ne won ko hwa ase mfiri Sufu line. So akoye Sufu line interchange no. Nti na ne nto aso ne se e be san be achi ne abeye e ho de na
Awunaga junction so.
But in terms of traffic pa no Kumasi hade ena magazine inti no Swami is a hono na traffic wo pa chain even Awunaga ho so senior ne yemra Swami emeye hode no nti then I told the president also is that what it is he called for the plans now who say no kwa no say ne be nti kai say 2018
Sompa
president ba Kumasi ye be rally bi be address bi no be kan ho asem se ye beye sa de no entina ye piska sika no ye nsa nka ye to aba ne wiye ye 2022 ansana ye nsa ka sika no ana ni nyina ye se eba ye ho adwuma eba ye ho adwuma nti ba cabinet me kan ho nsem but we try it here no 2022 June ena ho asem BP cabinet ema afi ye ka ema ni see ya July 2022 ena afi loan agreement ne ba parliament ma ya approve ye na ya approve ye no ye loan na ye sign will be a friend contract agreement yeah contract agreement you know and so a pass that was July. I think the first one was July 17th for the loan and the contract agreement about 19th no na we 22nd and we no the 22nd July and a parliament approved both the loan and the contract agreement in respect of we say no na samre no emu no and a World Bank and so sense a boom so a boom na fi o say e twentwen so kakra because afi o man na opis ka defi no no o hwe say wo yare nti na wako World Bank ndi obi a hwe say World Bank doctor no wo hwe no because say ne ho nti anza no diskana ma there's a World Bank ring emma clean bill of health na say what diskana ma na say uwa what I say okojoy nti na omo twentwen omo na ase so be kaya emu ho no me ba ha
yeah
e be ka say nti enhye say ye de kaya koje afri ezin sika bia ne de ye ekwan afri bunsu akofa Afram Plains ko section hono akọ adoso na nanka yesi sika no ye secured sa kwan no kasa wo ya de ben fie nan na bewie odi bridge no ko fence you no so de ben fie nan na bewie te yesi sa na te dia yenko yi se sika ni bi nanka yemfa emehye so amede na se so amede no de ya ye ne phases phase 1 phase 2 so na phase 2 no 137 million
okay
euros so no na ya approve on July 7th no enti se ne kengu yi says kele ni fama ye na shase amoko yen bibia si na the chairman of the finance committee no can so ojiri se ehia se be san ye agreement for bia na emum no yenye by administrative means near finance ministry ni sika no nkoto na omoba omasa sika na akoshim me catch and say be nya adwen I was not at the finance committee meetings I don't know jomba ameka say me catch and say kokumi no nya adwen because ya approve loan yi ya said we ko yesi ye de we so ko ya de foforo ko yi bi afiri loan B ni mu dia ba loan A parliament should be informed
okay
the base tracy to track the use of the money. It me ehunu se ni fiba enti eno so sa enti eno twentwen so e kire o ka so mokoye no o ka se ndisi for no then went say omompene me yenko yiska no say can go Eastern region enti me farmer region as if say Eastern region no federal state and we were Ghana is a unitary state but unfortunately no finance committee na anye sa de no ene man ko basa enti I'm just saying say July any years I don't know. I feel in Yamiadum World Bank every year it conclude second round is say you know and I feel my gumu my hair into ama enyesika ye de ye
nti nya de bia e bedu ma bia e beka
anka e ka say
egusua I'm told
what we want to do is say the say project no 30 months 30 months just 2.5 years
okay
and na what be ye and inti we are hoping say na esi kono ibitimi de by the close of 2025 or first quarter 2026 no ibitimi ewie swami interchange don't forget to say it's a 4-tier interchange
just like Pukwase
let me say it was not originally designed as a 4-tier
yeah
na 3-tier yen buy na no kasa no dey hu say bit my savings room
na am say na mo fa back
yes say bit my savings room dey ani yen fa back kan we dey ye design originally as a 4-tier interchange nti omo be sha say in phase 2 no and involve sa access roads na ye no any the flyovers na ebebamu abushakuru ana no ye buy e ko hwe then Macro, then Anomanye, then Abepo Junction, Mosesta Station, Angel
Nimhono,
Anna, Crofum, Westway traffic light now. No, Oko Animuha, Oko Animu, Crofum now Sanya
Tafunsha Sukano,
a court Tafunsha. That is where that one is also going to be inti minia so akofa so na no ye ba ye woko abushakuru ha ka be hu say omo erect stilts na ye
biobes no be
fa so inti enye ade a obidi eye de ebri obi ani so
election 2024
ama omo eye takwa township ya hono sa access road na hono a part of the FN saying diversions are
bit mama cars
no siphon of traffic
every ho
senia abushekru a hodie no etie no pepepe so ho ze on say abushekru a we are usane ekofa eko asie baby so ho ansa na wasa yako in fact omo ye say ni wi a ho no omo be street ho no akosi SDF ho no ho
okay
so like say usane nko bomu biu nti
obeko straight
And then you know to divert traffic. A part of July 22nd at the end of the year, you know.
Okay.
Then I may say be by say anything maybe one or ye BB and cressa a part of 22nd July program
contract agreement,
you know.
Okay,
that is what it is.
Honorable Yemshe, among focus election 2024 Asanteman Tema a crucial. It has always been crucial, but it is more crucial now with Alan. Alan is on his own now. Nenkro for mobile radio so ne komodieni nyina no
Sompa FM,
an attack or target on MPP. Utie movement for change for they have nothing to do with NDC. It is you because monomoji to me free more. Alan Hayes from here. Enkoyadia a bit me adwendo fortunes in Ashanti region. Now Alan, no, is it too late for you to bring him back?
Well, me can say too late. Me can say be late, but it's still not too late. Anybody say Ade Akye Abia saying, "Baby, it Mrs. Anadwin." Minimum akasa se me pen say me mum de. Me can tesi ya. Me giri say nya oya no emwa. Ono emu no kwa na emwa no. Why? Because you see, they say who they want ungazo akoti party. Also your movement. I'm sure say your movement there. Anya dia obe develop party structures bia obebia. So I'm not going to register a party. Omodi parties ebo omontoa parties in intino omo MC for more party machinery or constituencies or regions no. Yeto aba omo se no munya. They say we are ankura. I say be sorry a ho. Won for ye ekọ animu no bo you be urban ekọ animu no afi nipa bebre be nyante ase no na mo afi na mo say ya from so now your constitution is any easy aye no. We've made the constitution for party political structures and untina constitution ne ka say wo be president ko yi ministers at least 50% from parliament. Yes, the members of parliament are going to
Sompa FM.
That being the case, no. So we need party. Oh, how na go no. See, be na walker say he say he's attacking MPP. What to be man? Say no question, no question. What you say? Yes. Say, would you say NDC nzo party papa? Ka no ono akoye dom mebwa. The first I won't go NDC, no say you don't also believe in NDC.
Okay.
And the other day I would no better to Makuma could be so amane wall. We na say Udin Kunima, which is a far-fetched possibility anyway. I wouldn't say possibility, but probability. A far-fetched probability. That's a Unimpo be a Mampenia. I hear for now go as ministers.
Emran also see
yes.
How more prepared you know free parliament?
Yes, at least. Yeah, how more 50%.
At least.
You can take 60, you can take
70. But when to me cry 50%.
50%. 50 plus 1.
Also now only
50 plus 1.
Uni mrashebe jafui.
It is what to be a money intino. Now MPP for say MPP ni be a medio post. And this is for what to be a money and this is near medio poster. How do you form your ministers? So ab initio, that effort will be an exercise in futility. What do I say? From get-go, no, I didn't know you know, ain't go see baby. So it's hard there. I didn't know won't retrace who steps back. But sometimes in the could do baby. Yeah, no, so why or send a chair, so I engage you know. Now could be a memoir. And media, I believe people will be talking to him. So Obekaya, yes, you know.
You suggested a running mate,
way back,
a vice president position.
Because I'm saying the two abam predua, but we have winning. So, Nanka, Yanchi Nanka, and may running mate to Belmia. Minia, can you imagine saying Alan ye running mate to Belmia, Capatinum, saying Kimuba Jaffa. What you say? There will be very strong bond, a united front. But Abasa, me na me sure say a corner say one wenia. Abia, and the crowd about party no man be umi eba. A court near Kufado contest. Tell them is one be umi as be contest. So one wenia, over here none in fiaction. Because it be MBB for any ye. What you say? Tell me sure say Abia, he would sit on the fence. Emma Abia, one fana holding me di.
I want to so be chino.
I want to suda so be chino. And even that say on fana hunchimu na me fi say emwa. And dinna na me e kaden din senke enye sa remain. But the phone be antima say. Ye dey call contester. Ono an hu say ne e kwa otwe ho a. Afi otwe ho so akotiniku. Aso ku ni tie de. Rekombre be ye bi pen. Rekombre be ye bi o. Sanbreno, more or less, he was the de facto secretary to the party. When this is more, Guzitano, Omuyebi.
Chicho Pokumo.
Chicho Pokum, Omuyebi. Don't say, men came nearby. Congratulate. What can you find this Mokoye because he's saying? And yet she was known as a solid pillar for the NDC. The effort to negotiate saying. You quite any moon, say, Massa. What I say? Indu normal was party structures, baby. Is he almost saying? What I say? CPP4, APC. What to say parties in baby?
Sompa FM.
Where are they? And young, media mestre and say, Achia Nimui, say be buing Ade. And I'm hoping that people will still be engaging him as a possible oba, me and Kabebuana. Nti Mr. Manobetum at this stage seminuya penny no Alan seminimu bi o party ni mu a o ma no mo contest na minimu bi a ona na minim no ba mi manko le gondi na minim akufado so Alan de ni nua ba prekopedi do di nachi no me mate o tech Bridget Chematin no me mate o KNUST nti seminimu bi a through Bridget Hunnia.
Okay.
Some Nimubia on Nanka minimum. But maybe I do no. Let's continue to talk. Say the Yafa running meeting, do the running meeting. But party dear at the same years you call catching the Siaphone was a major fee no TMP or several mansions or in the party the moon. There are several places so bad yeah. Bitimi afete easy.
Honorable Mami ni dwatia wamrana ye nto aso ne mfa bibia mre ye menim se enche bia de beba wie na mom Institute of Expert Travel and Tour se wo pese otu kwankwa ma no ne ekoye adwuma eko sua de ekotena ho no mo ana se wo pese wo Europe Schengen nations no mu bia wo ye nurse ni midwife pharmacist ana se wo ye general labourer security guard over friend number is 0504 69 4209 0504 694209. Yas toothpaste any toothbrushes ahodo na wodwaso ye wo total care whitening toothpaste and a herbal toothpaste ye wo kiddie brushes princess monarch dew duchess ukodwaso abusa Yas toothpaste Yas toothbrush afi 21st clinic ye wo overseas Alpha Radio chain na oba pains wo sisi achi ade fa to ase etwetwe akopemo nantri no ye wo ayarehwa ye de be ma osonko lab and scan services ahodo massage and machine treatment ahodo free 0540311311 0540311311 time herbal mixture set a 3D to say malaria no more say udidi I wanted then honam tutuo time HH herbal mixture and capsule so ma onkomo ahoye den nsan bi Google private pass nyina be free ho na wasips ta free 0244 4176669 0244 4176669 Fibo Ventures yeah the AfriFresh herbal toothpaste AfriFresh herbal toothpaste and Ashford toothbrushes. Evidence executive friendly and Galaxy. Can't wait. Na ekwaji wo toothbrush papa bi ene wo paste papa bi kabom twitwiro sene wo numu na ho 053 5452 263 Okopo Segolina Fibo Ventures ho CEO Boakye ene Linda a ohwe adwuma no so ho no wunyina beboa kama 0535452263 na bibia akoso afa givers yewo P capsules eboa ema bema utimi chempem kama bo adwuma afei fertility sa wo ho asem aye mre ojonso ya jonso ya na aye wo afei cocoa no co capsules givers co e ma oye muntim sa so na eboa ma wo pain se wo sisimo ne flames nyina wi amama ni nyina ti wunya co and P capsules boma wa na wo sen no malaria typhoid jaundice ene omre ye nyina no unya givers herbal mixture afa give Jesus so rashes nom ne ade egugu no STIs ahodo akote namu yade ebe boa o kama for 0543222470 0543222470 Dimpa Natural Health yakopiem ewo the chance of second floor Wallace Towers menshia kwan no so kane menshia health insurance then we dey ade eye ulcer obeja no ho no akọ Esanse local and foreign natural herbal products. Yasad in FDSC so your detoxing system no. Say wo da won na when you so brew ebi wo no ma we chiri tutu wotimi say wakoma the omo friend angina no wo don saka wakoma wo te yaw ebi also wanya insomnia betima ba say stomach pains say now wotimi now when you go so no betima your ulcer so now wonim ka for ani kire Dimpa Natural Health for 0246744744 0246744744 no news at natural mineral water bini black mark company na dia be dwaso West Brukutu Junction Kronom Breman and Atomic Ashoma ubenya bi ato Matt Roberts so obini black mark company news at natural mineral water there I said that if asasiase na dia fa mfidie mu a ena oba de nu bran wonsuo mu no ahyemu say ma onoma otim say eye onipadua ho adwuma 0244 620294 na bibia ye dey akoso kama obo heba and medical research center palpitation akuma ebo peri afewanya heart pain said the mechanical angina chronic headache migraine afi why mre utim se wa bre wani su bre nso so wonya adwuma bia o blood pressure na nam soro on certificate triti we nyina no hia obo afi stroke kidney disorders hepatitis nom na yade awodo no for ni kire kaso official tankan afi Kumasi adoato adomanu ena Nkranza headquarters no eno no adeshima adwira kwan so tachima so ebe post office nkz adeshima se ne mekae no ka ho ne frɛ was 0249761508 0249761508 ye the preke se powder so aba Odin herbal bitters so eno so be boa na bibia akoso kama Ede amount afei open chicken papa they are BBC Boris B chicken we will be out him say why chicken pie layers ne broiler and ewo honomo your full chicken thigh wings breast gizzard layers and a minced meat edema and kramine Bantama High Street any press within you anima so market Santas roundabout Poku Trading LG Mall any Shell Boadi Junction so 0534445453 05344453 Bayport Savings and Loans fixed deposit now pay 91 days 182 days 365 days investment packages yashesha the amount we are a member of the Ghana Deposit Protection Scheme okay one Brofuna Saba Ayambik Ayambik my goodness we are kohwehwe yeah me simple Brofuna we there but I am big day. Where in the counter? Pentameter. Abakadi. Bayport is your safe place to invest with prompt customer redemption. Now, umreno swa or principal plus your interest. Aye kradwa yedemawo. Fresh 0244-598-400, 0244-598-400, and 055-811-9281. Yanum sio di anaye kanjing and magic drinking water. Num supa na wow. Kengen ye alkaline water 8.5 pH. Ebe boama o wrinkle onipadua so nsuo wo mu da bia 70% to 80% the onipadua na ye nsuo. Enti nsuo gira mu da bia ho de antioxidant. Enti wo dwonso efini ade nyina gu acid reflux. Say wo di na obo ebofa so ni nyina so be free ho. And na pay Bremen UGC Anatafuni Road, Abawa Route to Johnson Hall, on a Kangen and Magic drinking water. Friend 0241 449191 across the country. Ofra Betro baby, Albania Biato, all the 16 regions. 0241 449191. Obidina would done the million in Temna Memra Honorable. Happy birthday to Mrs. Mercy Osei Piasa of Takwa Municipal Hospital. Madam Ye Mautinkwa, Ukunu Ye Michael Osei, Oseo Mautinkwa. To my senior brother Sergeant Evans Edupoku of Asukwa Divisional Police Commander. Afei Florence Eduyabua, Ukunu Eye Dixon, Florence Oseo Mautinkwa. Ena Dennis Che of Menshia Palace Media. Dennis, happy birthday to you. Ekuyadufia Friye of Central Baptist International School. Your mom and dad are wishing you a happy birthday. To my daughter, Pemish Landra Jemfi. Pemish. Oh, mami Pukuya. Pemish. Hey, you. Prophet Samuel Nixon of Turnaround Chapel. Today is your birthday. Prophet Samuel Nixon. Where is coming from Florence. Pastor Ofori Atta SDA District Pastor Asokore ono twin brother munyina ya mamutinkwa Kelebe champion anyway aba Mrs. Comfort Kodia of Melcro your daughter Matilda and Keche Obi are wishing well. Honorable, we have the next 6 minutes to wrap up. My memory won't change. Election 2024. Are you breaking the date?
I mean inti ebe break it.
NDC tells every Ghanaian say Oto Abakrama MPP ana asa ebi a woni ntiase wo economy woni ntiase wo Omanhene mo MPP to quote the former president on Saturday, I say you're useless government and that's useless economy. Anybody amodiato, how do you compare that to Kwame Nkrumah? You have run a useless government. How do you win election?
Oh, Minia. Say, Ude Anodo Enura Ibingo. And sometimes Penny can say, I know she own. Because I want to be a man in one. I say, Ude, when my hit about my name. Timen and Bioha, you just say, oh, as some more kind, no, with the Penny Casasa. Na say ono fumo kan so be fumu kuma obi fumu nya asem nyina ye nchechire mu. We want this campaign to be issues driven. So wo abaye adwuma na abaye no na obi nso abaye adwuma ono abetu nkwanhia wo kwa mu de na so waye bi ndi ye de wo track record ne to ne de no ho a na ye be kire say why you be chain and as you be chain no you say ye even a conshare ye share nyina no a conshare ye share no so ye unprecedented conshare ye share nyina no ye no I be change your mama be brave and they saying your mama or can hospitals sir why ye na be cheap compound in the money cheap compounds so they are not even clinics. They have facilities all right but they don't even qualify for clinics but say na wo can aban we aba wase wo ye agenda 1111 ye so ame ha bitimi akase ye enya ye nso echefa ewum ewo eye no wo anomanye enura yi na menemi MC eka in fact me sure say the next 1 month 1.5 months we ni me be bia no cause ye wi agenda 11 yes ye wi ewo anomanye
mu be bia no
yes me aka eye ekwan no a ko hospital ho no eno na omunye yi
that's actually 111 from utie hu kasa de ara you say
me say udie sisi enyanye kwa no kra no MC de unim no pa dakro ene ne nko ho
ready Asante region 7
mako enso
are ready
and I ready president baby em say macro ye de anomanye eka ho go there and see me wo enra na rangofo omo moye kwan yi omo ekoye access road bo Anomanyi some time back na World Bank facility bi nti no na meni omo kasa senka mbetimi akoye kwan na kwan no kakra bi 2 access roads bi na ekoho ni mienu bomu enu 500 meters kra ba ko ye be 200 the other one be 250 meters bi and no mo kasa to mbetimi akoye aman ana oye so unfortunately ye be wie e court omna ye attachment akwa na
yeah attachment
ye ba se be ye we see no
the court attachment
we na say mutia mu na echi kakra nti the group chairman no any chief executive no nyina no omo atia mu na echi nti me no mo kasa no mo amanone eno mo ye se me ma omo obi a obomba mema obi a be sinso no akokire omo no mo hu se no say no na me de MC number ma omo say omo contact MC no na ono mo nko na enimu ya me sure say omo ba ho they shouldn't take more than 1 month. 1 month in saying because drains in here some be drains kakra bi both sides ba ko fa yi Anomanyi see ho ba ko nso e fa bi na osifie amana bam ama ka chere say was demolish was quarters bi was obu kakra na ama kwan no etimi akọ. I'm sure the next 1 month they'll be able to do it. Omu we na commission because everything is there. Everything is there.
It's a surprise because many have thought it's a fiasco.
So look, I can tell you, say near a year between 80 and 100% completed. No, a makum 60.
Oh
yes, a makum 60. And between now and September, let me say will be October ending. No, but we say. Near Akaka Krabia Mama completing in and then present will go around commissioning them. Now, be a be say, and yet, and to pose and yet, that's it. What I say. So I'm just saying, say, so what can't a pomudia? What can't pomudia? Yeah, you know, John Mahama went in Yamukota. What I say. Now, ye for quine, John Mahama be or ye quine, not being so no better, ye na the total road network in this country, near 69,000 kilometers. John Mahama and the President Mills, me no couple 8 years. Omufiso no na kwan no 69,000 across 78,000 kilometers. The more than 9,000 and a car. Ndomo yebi. Omo yebi. Bi nka so mo nyewe. Omo yebi. But ku for Dubai from 78,000 no. Say we are about 103,000 kilometers. Yes. It is our car about way they about 25,000 kilometers. And I come. It is all kwaya. Yeah, you be brejeo. Schools, free senior high by so call all the schools. Expansion schools dining hall facilities, libraries, residential facilities. Go and see. And there's 10 schools here be. Free senior high, Sena was a Indima. 2012. Na ye to abano I Kufuado can say ye to abano na or the freezing eye bebana. What can I say? Yes, they shouldn't listen to a desperate person
based on the whimsical promise of a desperate politician.
Federal system, what can I say? Federal system is what can for what I say a 419.
Yeah.
Na Ghana for the shouldn't believe a Kufuado. 2016, you okay, no. You implement it, no, was it any ye? You bet dilute system, no. What I say? Now, say, or no, say, ye cast a sun, and ye cast invest 2 billion.
2 billion.
Also, 2 billion of Uncle Yes, man.
You will not use it only on free SHS.
What I say? Was he will not use it on free HS? One can say only. One are the only.
Also, he will not use it on free SHS.
What the only abishim? Like I say, what the only shame the other just a million. Say, I will not use it on free.
What
I say? And the first schools, school, all
right.
Minia, oh, dear fun area by area. Yeah, bano. Near crack,
Sompa
dear, any banshee. If you like Cote d'Ivoire, contumely, man can never like Cote d'Ivoire. And if you're watching a be masada. What I say? A champ on time, and you have sufficiency in maize
production. Feed yourself.
Operation feed yourself. That was in 1974. You have sufficiency in operation and maize production in this country. If you want to be a crab brew, Akufo at the time. And the first time after 1974, the Sabina sufficiency in maize production. Planting for food and jobs at Aroma. Until you have a connoisseur. Until you discussing the mano, Marco, yen to me, yen yo. And yet him the day, yen kono Marco. Yen you whatever ball me. Near near 2 equipment in a chilo. And I'm say, on mine can chronos no. You also see this issue, and then in the very GDP growth rate. No, Yemraho, Yahan Yaw, and when you can shabia Yaw, Kufa, and even a quenching so. Even after quenching, yeah, no crambono, the GDP growth rate. No, that's what you dear. And what are you saying? So let's go. Yan funny man, Marco, yes, and Homano. The
debate lingers on. Honorable will be here again, and when he comes this time, we'll be doing sector by sector. Now, Yehumbe party no so Ade Akodro. For Yadumbe ha Emra Society full-time sports. Jumedie Ebremo. Stay with us. This is Sompa. Now, Honorable, Krata Biaba has this here. A disabled society. Almost a big thank you. For what you have done for them. Probably I don't know what you've done for them, but they know. Almost almost menyina fidie so kan cho so honorable omo dawase. Na how much omo to me na ye food for total. Aseda. Okay.
Let's get ready to